Welcome back to AI Explained. In this episode, we'll take an in-depth look at deep learning and neural networks, two of the most important and rapidly developing areas of artificial intelligence. We'll explore what deep learning and neural networks are, how they work, and their many applications. What are neural networks? Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that is inspired by the human brain. They are made up of interconnected nodes which are similar to the neurons in our body. These nodes work together to process information and make predictions. How do neural networks work? Neural networks learn by being trained on data. The data is fed into the network, and the nodes adjust their connections until they are able to make accurate predictions. This process is called backpropagation, and it is what allows neural networks to learn from their mistakes. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers. This allows deep learning models to learn complex patterns in data that would be difficult for traditional machine learning models to learn. Deep learning is responsible for some of the most impressive AI feats of recent years, such as image recognition, speech recognition, and machine translation. Deep learning is being used in a wide variety of applications, including image recognition. Deep learning algorithms can be used to identify objects in images such as faces, cars, and animals. Speech recognition. Deep learning algorithms can be used to transcribe speech into text. Machine translation. Deep learning algorithms can be used to translate text from one language to another. Medical diagnoses. Deep learning algorithms can be used to diagnose diseases from medical images. Self-driving cars. Deep learning algorithms are being used to develop self-driving cars. Deep learning is a powerful technology, but it also comes with some challenges. Data requirement. Deep learning models require large amounts of data to train. Computational requirement. Deep learning models can be computationally expensive to train. Interpretability. It can be difficult to understand how deep learning models make decisions. Bias. Deep learning models can be biased if they are trained on biased data. Deep learning is a rapidly developing field with a lot of potential. It is already having a major impact on our world, and it is likely to have an even greater impact in the future. However, it is important to be aware of the challenges of deep learning and to use it responsibly. If you're interested in learning more about deep learning, there are many resources available online and in libraries. You can also find many deep learning courses and tutorials available online. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of deep learning and neural networks. Thank you for watching.